All right, so just like with everything else, once we move on to the coordinate plane, dilations are, at least in my opinion, a lot easier, especially if the center is at the origin, which is what we're going to be focusing on in this lesson. So let's take a look here. We have triangle ABC has coordinates A is 2, 1. So there's A. B is 3, 3. And C is 4, 2. All right, so let me go ahead and connect those. Okay, so there's triangle ABC. Then we want to dilate triangle ABC with a scale factor of 2 centered at the origin and label as A prime, B prime, C prime. Well, here's the beauty, is when we're on a grid, we can just sort of count the distance, and then if we're doing a scale factor of 2, we just double it. So for example, if I want to dilate A with a scale factor of 2 from the origin, I know that I need to take 2 steps to the right and 1 step up to get to A. So if I want to double that, I would just take 2 steps to the right and 1 step up again, and I would get my, oops, that's the wrong tool, I would get my A prime. Same thing for these other ones. So for B, I have 3 steps to the right and 3 steps up. So if I double that, that would be 6 steps to the right and 6 steps up. So there's going to be my B prime. And C is 4 steps to the right and 2 steps up. So if I double that, that's 8 steps to the right and 4 steps up. So there's going to be my C prime right there. And then I can connect those. And so what did we really do? We really started by taking the coordinates 2, 1. And since I have a scale factor of 2, then I've got an image of 4, 2. And in the case of B, I started at 3, 3. And my image became 6, 6. So what you can kind of see here is basically all I did was take my coordinates of my pre-image and I multiplied it by the scale factor in order to get the coordinates of my image. Really, really, really simple. And that's exactly how this works. Let me get rid of these things that wanted to come along. Okay, so what we find is when the dilations are on the coordinate plane and centered at the origin. This is important. If we do some dilations later on in the year or in this unit and they're not centered at the origin, this rule doesn't apply anymore. It has to be centered at the origin. But if it is, if it's centered at the origin, all you need to do is multiply the coordinates of the pre-image by the scale factor to get the coordinates of the image. Simple as that. When we're dilating on the coordinate plane and we're centered at the origin, it's as simple as multiplying the coordinates. That's it.